Hey, good morning. This is Sean with Mortgage Info Millionaire. And today I'm going to explain to you the 3 books that are part of the program that can help you earn a multi-six-figure income. So I'd like to start out with the first book. It's the Direct Marketing Domination. And this book you'll be using to actually attract the right prospects to offer them money. So there's 5 steps in how to create the marketing plans, and there's 3 important parts within those 5 steps. So once you design it and implement it, that will help you to start attracting the right people and right companies to you to borrow the money. The second book is the one on mindset. And what's important about this one, it's a lot of you are not in finance. A lot of you don't really understand. I won't say you won't understand, but you'll probably have some feeling of not knowing enough. And with this book, it's going to show you exactly how you should think, how easy it is to know that what you're offering, you can easily do it, and you can easily persuade people to use the money that you're going to offer them. And then the final book is actually the book that will provide you the access to capital. So with that, you will have the 3 books that will create a multi-six-figure income in 2023 and beyond, by the way. Once you implement this and start doing this continuously, it's going to get easier and easier for you. So what I'd like you to do is click the link down below. Go check out some more information on the Mortgage Info Millionaire books. And if you like what you see, go ahead and become a member. And when you become a member, you're going to get 2 additional things. I'm going to give you 4 one-hour coaching, 1 hour per week, to get you on the fast track of implementing this and starting to make money quickly. And then the second thing is, when you buy the program, I know this is all new for everyone, so I am going to give everyone a 30-day money-back guarantee. So what this means is, when you buy in and you become a member, I'm going to ship you out all the books and a few other items along with the books, and you're going to have 30 days to review all that. And during those 30 days, you're actually going to have my one-on-one coaching for the first 30 days. And by the end of those 30 days, if you feel that you can't do this or you can't see the value in this, just let me know, send back the material. I'll reimburse you 100% of your investment. So there's really no risk to you to participate in this program. So again, click the link down below, and hopefully I'll see you as a partner in this in the near future. Thank you.